Hi everybody and welcome to another video. On this shoot my equipment is the same as always, Light, Nikon D750 and Sigma 105mm lens. My usual settings working with this light are 200 shutter speed and aperture of 22. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram by the way to always see my newest work and more behind the scenes. So now for the actual shoot. We started off with a completely natural look with very minimal makeup. I left the skin completely natural, only added a little eyeshadow and did the brows. This was a shoot focused on Leonie's model portfolio, and it's always good to have some high quality but very natural images in there. We started off with some poses facing me directly, playing with the hair, moving the hands around the face and so on. Leonie also did a good mix of more serious facial expressions, more like the classic model look, and more friendly ones, which I think show her personality. We then did some photos from the side to get a different angle. For the second look, this was my inspiration, because I think these colors complement Leonie's eyes very well. When going for very colorful eyeshadow, I like to either use something very close to the model's eye color or a contrasting color. In a shoot a while ago, for example, I used bright orange and pink on a model with green eyes, which also complemented her eyes really well. We started this look off with some close-ups. I always like to do close-ups right in the beginning to ensure that the makeup is perfect, no smudges, no fallout or anything like that. For close-ups, I don't really do different poses, they are more about showcasing the eyes and the colors of the makeup, so the most important thing here is a flattering angle and that everything is visible. We then did some more full-face photos, starting off with facing the camera, and then in the end we did some side-facing photos too. Here are the photos straight out of camera. I'm really in love with the outcome. I'm also still so amazed by how sharp I can actually get my images in the studio. This is a zoom of one of the close-ups and I just really love the detail. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss any of my future videos, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!